Hello children, this is grade 5, block 17 and S4. Topic is air pressure in use. Open your readers, page number 108. I'm reading for you. Right? Look into your books and you read after me. Air pressure also helps us to drink juice and other liquids through a straw. When one sucks liquid through a straw, it creates an area of low pressure inside the straw. The pressure around the straw is higher than the pressure inside the straw, which pushes the liquid into the straw. The compressed air in tires of all automobiles exerts more pressure and helps them to move smoothly on roads. Similarly, difference in air pressure helps us to fill medicine in droppers and syringes. The working of pistons, sprinklers, cisterns, vacuum cleaners and hand pumps also follows the property of air pressure. So this is what I have read. Now I'm going to explain for you this. Right? So now all everyone, see here the two children in the picture. Just observe the picture very carefully. Using straws requires a difference in air pressure. So before going to begin the lesson, already you have learned three properties of air. First is air has weight. Second, air occupies space. And third one, air exerts pressure. Through the experiment we have concluded that air has these three properties. So now today we are going to see air pressure in use with the help of this tools, right? So now you can see the straws requires straws. Children, they are sucking. How it happens? So here when we suck through the straw, we suck the air first, right children? So this reduces the air pressure in the straw. The air pressure outside becomes more and this pushes the water into the straw, right? This is about the straws. Now when we go with the syringes, in case of syringe, when we press, then release the top of the dropper, right? So the volume of the air decreases in it, reducing the air pressure inside the syringe, right? So here the air pressure outside becomes more and this pushes the water into the syringe, right children? So here now we will see about what is the role of air in these activities. Okay, what is the role of air in these activities and what other activities use air pressure. Okay, how does air pressure help in sucking of suction cups to the walls? What can we conclude from this, right children? This also you are going to learn now. Here when we see here, the difference in air pressure helps in the above two activities. Okay, above these two activities, other things that are possible because of air pressure are using a vacuum cleaner and filling in a balloon. When we press the suction cup, the air beneath it escapes, creating a region of low pressure, right? So the air pressure outside is more and this helps the suction cup to stick to the wall, right? So we can conclude that it is the difference in the air pressure that helps in all these activities, right children? So one more question I want to put you. What is the role of air pressure in the formation of winds? Okay, so here sometimes there is unequal heating of the land, which makes the surroundings air hot, right? So the hot air rises up, building a low pressure over the area. So cold air from high pressure region blows in to take its place and this results in the formation of winds, right children? So now open we'll go with the question answers here. Turn to page number, okay, turn to page number 110. In this 110 you are having question number 6. How does air pressure help in sucking juice using a straw they have given for you. So what you will write for that one? When one sucks liquid through a straw, it creates an area of low pressure inside the straw. The pressure around the straw is higher than the pressure inside the straw, which pushes the liquid into the straw. That answer you have to write. Question number 7. Explain how air pressure helps in following activities. A. Filling medicine in a dropper. B. Using plungers to clean drains. So we'll go with A. Filling medicine in a dropper. So when we press the rubber part of the dropper, the air inside the dropper is pushed and low pressure is created. Since the air pressure outside is more than medicine, moves from high pressure to low pressure rising into the dropper. Right? We'll go with B now. Okay, using plungers to clean drains. So when we press the plunger into the drain, a region of low pressure is created inside the drain. The high pressure outside helps to clean the drain. Right? That answer you have to write. Now we'll go with the 8th one. Why do our ears pop when we travel to higher altitudes? So here, our ears pop at higher altitudes because the ears need to equalize in difference in pressure inside and outside the ear. Right? That answer you have to write. Okay, children, now we will go with workbook. Workbook, you got page number 8. Okay, air pressure in use. Question number 1. What is the role of air pressure in an aircrafting taking off? So aircrafting taking off means this answer you have to read out. See here. Page number 107, you got over here answer. Okay. So what happens over here? The pressure that exerts is useful in our day-to-day life. For example, it helps in the lifting of aeroplanes from the ground. Aeroplanes have a unique shape. When an aeroplane starts moving, the air pressure on top of the wings becomes lesser than air pressure under the wings. This helps in lifting the aircraft from the ground. Okay, so when the aeroplane starts moving, the air pressure on the top, you must start when an aeroplane starts moving from here, from here you must start. Begin from here. When? Okay, when. You begin from here, that answer. When to ground. Okay, now we will go with B. Medicine. What is this? Medicine pulling using injection syringe. Okay, explain the role of medicine pulling using injection syringe, they asked. So when we pull the syringe backward, a low pressure is created inside the injection syringe. So the pressure outside is more and the medicine is pushed into the syringe. Like that you have to write. Now see. Explain the role of sipping juice using a straw. When we drink liquid through a straw, it creates an area of low pressure inside the straw. The pressure around the straw is higher than the pressure inside the straw, which pushes the liquid through the straw. That answer you have to write. Now question number 2. How does air pressure help in formation of wind? Sometimes there is unequal heating of the land. Already I explained you. So the hot air rises up, building a low pressure over the area. So cold air from high pressure region blows in to take its place, and this results in the formation of winds. That answer you have to write. So whatever the work I have given, do it neatly and correctly. Thank you, children.